So, how was your week? Did you get any Easter eggs? I got 3 Easter eggs with stamps and candy in it, so I'm happy this Easter. So, this week was one of the most embarrassing weeks of my entire existence. Okay, that's a little dramatic, but there were some embarrassing moments because I just told my friends that I have a crush on someone. And before I could even say anything else, they just run up to him immediately and just start asking questions. And he's looking at me, and I'm pretty sure he knows that I like him. So it's kind of awkward now. So to calm myself, I'm going to do something that makes me feel relaxed, which is DIYing. And something else that makes me feel happy, which is giving back. So you guys will have a little surprise by the end of this video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a fringe tote bag. Let's get started. First you'll need a tote bag, scissors, ribbon, and a hot glue gun. So making this tote bag is totes easy. Get it? So start by cutting little slips of ribbon and gluing them in a line at the bottom of your tote bag. So this is what it looks like. So now, for your surprise, if you haven't guessed, it's a giveaway! Yay! So before I show you the stuff that you might be winning, we have to go over the rules. So 1, this is a subscribers giveaway, so you have to be subscribed. 2, you have to live in the United States. And 3, if you're under 18, you need permission from a parent. So if you meet those requirements, sorry, the neighbors are just playing music. So if you meet those requirements, you can enter by sharing an embarrassing moment. Because I shared an embarrassing moment, you can too. And if you've never had an embarrassing moment, which is highly doubtful, but whatever, just share a cringy or awkward moment, and trust me, everyone's had those. And it's a safe environment, so please don't comment mean stuff on each other. It's not cool. So, now for the part you really care about. What are you going to win? So, first, a pretty springtime notebook. It has a bird on it. Some pretty cover thing. It's like, I don't know, it's like squishy. Not squishy, but it's like smooth. It's not like a cardboard cover. And cool, colorful papers. These pretty springtime colored bracelets. This bag made by yours truly. And, drum roll please, an instant camera! So I love giving out these for giveaways because they're really fun. Like if you have friends over or if you have like a family party or whatever, you can just take pictures and it's so amazing. And it even has some film so you don't have to worry about that. So those are all the prizes. And I just want to let you guys know I love all of you equally, so I'm not going to be like picking the winner myself. I always use a random generator. So if you follow all the rules, all of you have a fair chance of winning. So I'll put the rules and the deadline below in case you forgot in the description. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Bye!